Hi, have you ever thought about branding? What branding can do for you? Just look at the big brands. For instance, here, what do we have here? We have a Dunlop Pro. It's a can, plastic, and it is, well, you can identify it. You see it on Amazon and you straight away know it's Dunlop. Yeah, so you can actually go and buy this stuff. So what's the difference between a set of tennis balls that maybe costs you 10 cents or 5 cents or even less to one from Dunlop? Where's the difference? So, wow, that's actually quite an interesting thing to see what's actually possible if you produce a whole product. And the thing is, I don't play tennis, but why did I go and get this kind of product? It's the smell, the haptic. So what does it feel like? If you've seen other tennis balls, they are just simple, cheap, and yeah, they're tennis balls. But it's the same thing like with for instance, golf balls and that. If you play golf, you'll see the same thing. By soft tennis, it's as well different kind of balls. You can have a good quality and low quality, but it's in the end, it's the branding and the energy that's put into the product that makes it really different. So just look at that. The packing, it's recognizable. The name is recognizable. And I know the brand. Why? Because they advertise regularly. They've put themselves in the marketplace over years, and that actually generates a brand. So a brand is only then really a brand when people are able to recognize it. So think about it, how this could be you in the future if you do it the right way, because it's a combination of a good naming, a good logo, and as well packaging, the way you handle your customer service, the way you package, produce, develop your product itself or service, and how then eventually you then actually pitch it to the marketplace. And that really makes it much more powerful for you as a business owner to grow your business from maybe a turnover of maybe 500,000 or more a year to the 10x level of it, 5 million, 50 million, 500 million. Just think of it. Instead of selling a ball for maybe 2 cents, go on Amazon, you can go and get the stuff for 2 cents, or you sell 3 balls for $10. It's a ball, but it's a Dunlop. And that's the thing. So if you like what you've heard just now and you're thinking, okay, how could I do that with my own branding? How could I actually get that working for my own business, my own products and services? How can I really make it that I can have a powerful product that it is more valuable than the competition? And then eventually I'm not competing because they are not in the same league as I am. So you can do that. If you want to know how to do that and how to have a strategy that you can really implement without having to do 1,000 different things at the same time and go nuts, then just go to my.prmediareach.com. I think it's seen as well, visible as well here in the screen, and book with us a consultation call, and we'll take it from there, or comment underneath this video with the word branding. And then one of us will reach out to you and arrange with you a consultation call, and then we'll take it from there. And you'll see there are lots of things that are possible, but being focused is the best thing instead of being everywhere and not getting anywhere. So remember, branding is more valuable if you do it the right way, if the people know you. It's not just about a nice logo and a nice name or packaging and everything. It's the whole combination and being visible in the market and people knowing you, because a brand that nobody knows is not a brand. So there are lots of things that can be done in different ways. And for me, now it's time to go and have a look at another brand. And I'll tell you then, maybe in the evening, what this brand does. So for now, no tennis for me at the moment. I have to leave. But think about it and see what you can do with this kind of branding strategies that take you and your business to the next level.